This section is on expected value. Now, expected value is the mathematical process that uses probabilities to determine what to expect for various situations in the long run. You may have heard the phrase long-term average. That's really referring to the expected value. So to find the expected value, we want to multiply each possible outcome by its probability and then add these products. So for question number 1, we have a table, and the table shows claims and their probabilities for an insurance company. And you'll notice that the probabilities are expressed as decimals. So that's okay. You can express a probability as a fraction or as a decimal. Either one's okay. So part A says calculate the expected value. So I want to take each of my amounts and multiply them by their corresponding probabilities. And then I want to add the results. So let's take 0 and multiply it by its probability, which is 70%. And then add 20,000 times its probability, which is 20%. And then add 40,000 times 6%. And then add 60,000 times 2% plus 80,000 times 1%, and then lastly add 100,000 times 1%. So if you type this into the calculator, you should get $9,400. So in the long run, this will be the average cost of a claim. Part B says, how much should the company charge as an average premium so that it breaks even on its claims costs? So if they want to break even, they should charge the same amount. So $9,400. Part C says, how much should the company charge to make a profit of $50 per policy? So if $9,400 breaks even, they just need to add $50 to that to make a profit of $50 per policy.